This morning, I'd like to lecture upon some important aspects of Funambulism. Ordinarily speaking, can I say, a few think of this matter. Then today I'd like to tell. This is very important. This is one of the most important matters for you to live well, in a sense. Funambulism. You walk a tightrope. Now I ask you to imagine the following. There is a high building here. Then also you can see the other high building. Between the top of this high building and the top of another high building, you can see now there is a long tightrope between them, between the top of one building, which is very high, and also the top of another building, high enough. This is quite a matter of rational imagination. I'd like to follow me now. You are here to walk this tightrope in order to go there, in order to walk to another building from this building. What you need to do? You really need to have a good sense of balance. Without a good sense of balance, you cannot be successful. You are here on this tightrope, quite high. If you fall from this tightrope, that's the end of it. That's the end of your life. You need to do your best to go forth. Not in a sense. I tell you, absolutely, you hazard your life to walk this tightrope. You need to risk your life to go forth in order to go to another building. Deeply speaking, this is not a matter of tightrope. This is the very matter of how you live well. Actually, more than that, this is the very matter of how you realize becoming a rational existent now and of course, in the future. You are privileged to use this privilege to be rational day by day, week by week, month by month, and year by year. Not only becoming rational, but becoming more rational. You are not a wild animal. Talking of this matter, how you think of the importance of this moment is fundamental. Every day, through spending your time, I'd like you to philosophize the importance of this moment. Not a matter of time how you spend yourself tomorrow. I'd like you to hazard your life to spend this moment. That's everything. A Greek philosopher, Heraclitus, said, "No man ever steps in the same river twice." You touch the water in the river. The water you touch is only water you experience. Later on, the water is different. The water in the river flows into the sea all the time. You cannot step into the same river twice. This gives you an opportunity to deeply philosophize the importance of this moment, how you face this moment affects the quality of so many things in your daily life. The lecture shall be finished now.